Hello dear students, welcome to my computer science class. Today I am going to discuss the exercises of chapter Services of Internet. This is the ninth chapter of class science computer science book My IT Planet. So let us start with the objective type questions first. So question number 1 is tick the correct answer. So first is a collection of web page is called. What do we call a collection of web page? A website, web server or home page? And the answer is website. The unique address of a web page is known as HTML, URL or website. And the correct answer is Uniform Resource Locator, that is the URL. Now, small text messages that a web browser stores on your computer to keep a track of websites is cookies, pop-up ad or spyware? And the answer is cookies. Now the next objective type question is a software that installs on your computer without your consent is a pop-up ad, a spyware or a hyperlink? And the correct answer is a spyware. Now fill in the blanks. The dash enables you to exchange messages with people around the world. And the correct answer is email. Dash are the programs which are created deliberately to damage data. And the answer is yes, it is a virus. And do you know what is the full form of virus? A computer virus has a full form. It is an acronym and it has a full form, and the full form is Vital Information Resource Under Siege. This is the full form of a virus. YouTube is one of the most popular sites on the web for providing dash sharing services. And the answer is yes, it is a video sharing service. Dash or dash is a method of navigating through pages of information. And the answer is browsing or surfing. A dash is a document on the web. And the answer is a web page is a document on the web. A single person who maintains many blogs is known as a blogger. The starting page of a browser is called as a home page. Now, the third question is define the following terms. And the first define the following is a blogger. Who is a blogger? It's written here only. A single person who maintains many blogs is known as a blogger. And the answer is written, I have written the answer here also. A person who maintains many blogs is known as a blogger. Now, virus. What are viruses? So the answer is on page number The answer is here, page number 128. Viruses are programs which are created deliberately to damage data. A virus can badly affect or infect your computer without your knowledge and alter the working of the computer. Now the next define the following C is web page, and the answer is again on page number 128. The top define web page. A web page is a document on the web. Web pages can include a collection of text, images, sounds and video. The internet consists of billions of pages covering almost every topic. Next definition is of social networking, and it is on page number 131. Social networking, it is a service on the internet that enables you to connect with people who share similar personal or professional interest, is a social networking site. The next defined is WhatsApp Messenger, and it is also on page number 131. WhatsApp Messenger is a mobile messaging app available for smartphones, and it uses your phone's internet connection to message and call friends and family. Now the next define is YouTube, and it is on page number 130 here. YouTube, it is a video sharing service that is one of the most popular sites on the web. YouTube offers tens of millions of videos as well as movie trailers, commercials, clips from TV shows and much more. Now question number 4 is true false. So A part is internet is the smallest network used at your home. Is it? No, it is false statement, because it is a worldwide network, so it is a false statement. The chat features allow you to exchange the typed messages with other person on the internet, and this statement is absolutely true. The electronic mail enables us to exchange messages with people around the world, and this is also true. A website is a document on the web. No, a web page is a document on web, so this statement is false. Mozilla Firefox is a popular web browser, and this statement is true. Now, Facebook and MySpace are popular social networking sites. We have read in this chapter, we have studied that they are, so this statement is true. So this was the true false. Now let's start with answer the following question. The question number 5. A part is what is internet and why is it important? So for this we have to move to page number 126. The first paragraph of the chapter. The internet is a vast worldwide network that enables you to read the latest news, conduct research, shop, communicate, listen to music, play games and access a wide variety of information. It is one of the major reasons why people buy computers these days. Through the internet, you have the access to information from all around the globe. So this was the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2 is, what are the different uses of computer? So the computer has a number of uses. What are they? The different uses of internet are: first, stay informed, conduct research, send and receive emails, buy and sell. We can stay informed, we can conduct research, we can send and receive emails, we can buy and sell on internet, we can share information on internet, we get entertained by the internet, by the music, features, videos and online games. We can chat on internet and we can socialize with others on internet. So these are the different uses of internet. Now, what is blogging? The C part of question number 5 is, what is blogging? So for this, we have to move to page number 131. Blogging is an exciting and dynamic medium by which you can publish your ideas, opinions and stories online. With millions of blogs available on the internet, you can read what others have published. Now, D part is, what are cookies? And we have to go to page number 129. Cookies, they are small text messages that a web browser stores on your computer to keep a track of websites. Cookies can also store usernames, passwords, etc., as well as your computer credit card data. Now, the E part of this question is, what is a spyware and how can we protect our computer from a spyware? For this answer is on page number 128. A spyware. It is a software program that gets installed on your computer without your knowledge or consent. This program secretly gathers data from your computer, steals your password, displays advertisements, and takes control of your web browser. And to remove a spyware, what do we need? We need to install an anti-spyware program. Now, the next question is, differentiate between downloading and uploading data from the internet. And the answer is on page number 132. Here, uploading is the process of transferring files from your computer to a server on the internet, while downloading is the process of transferring files from a server on the internet to your computer. So uploading is transferring files from the computer to the server, while downloading is transferring files from the server to from a server on internet to your computer. Right. Now, the next question is, what is e-commerce? We have to go to the same page, that is page number 132. Electronic commerce, in short, which is called as e-commerce or sometimes called as e-business, is a financial business transaction that occurs over an electronic network. And anyone can use e-commerce with an internet connection and mean to pay, like a credit card or a debit card. So this is the answer from here till here, participate in e-commerce. Now the next question is, what is the use of FTP? The same page, on the same page, the file transfer protocol. Yes. FTP or file transfer protocol is an internet standard that permits file uploading and downloading to and from other computers on the internet. This is FTP or file transfer protocol. Now there is one application based question also. Piyush wants to know his birthdays, wants to show his birthdays digital photographs to his friends and relatives through the internet. He doesn't know which website will suit his requirement. Can you help him decide the suitable website so that he could upload his photographs? So we have studied about some photo sharing sites also, like Picasa Web Albums or Flickr. So he can share the photographs on Picasa Web Albums or Flickr. So these were the question answers of chapter Services of Internet. I hope you all have understood all the answers properly. Next time I will be with another set of question answers and exercises and a lot more. Till then, thank you students.